Hello everyone. I hope everyone is well. Today's video is topic the kitchen blender. Blender is a culinary powerhouse that effortlessly transforms food ingredients into delicious creations from smoothies and soups to nut butter and sauces. A top-tier blender is a crucial tool for anyone passionate about cooking, health and creativity. In the kitchen, features such as powerful motors, variable speed settings, special blending modes and durable blades should be considered when purchasing a blender. In this video, I will tell you about the 6 best blenders in the top brand. I have given the product links in the video description. I hope you will get the best product of your choice, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Without further ado, let's watching this video. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. A recent Kitchen Gear Award winner, this was best tested when we tested 8 Vitamix blenders side by side, and also came out on top when tested against 25 other blender models. Besides its performance, noteworthy features include a touch interface, 5 program settings, a programmable timer, variable speed and pulse. This blender also pairs with all of Vitamix's self-detect containers, which will recognize the cup and automatically adjust blend settings for its size. Self-detect containers don't just come in personal size, but also a food processor attachment, stainless steel container, new 48-ounce color containers and more. In our tests, this model produced the best-tasting kale and strawberry smoothie that completely went through a sieve without any flecks of kale or pieces of strawberry remaining. Milkshakes were creamy, frothy and had great body. Homemade peanut butter was silky smooth without any peanut chunks remaining. And margaritas were restaurant quality with a super fluffy consistency. Overall, we were very impressed with this blender's ability to break down even the toughest of ingredients. This blender was loud while grinding tough ingredients, and the self-cleaning function with soap and water wasn't a complete match for sticky nut butter. But the overall results are unmatched by the other models we tested. Throw in a 10-year warranty, and you've got extra security that you will get years of great use out of this blender. If a $600 plus blender isn't in your budget right now, we also recommend the Vitamix E310 Explorer blender that retails around $350 before additional sales. This model produced margaritas and peanut butter that was just as tasty as the A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. Number 2. NutriBullet Blender Combo. This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, making it super versatile and our pick for the best value. It includes a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches, and 2 different personal-size cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces, with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies at pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make it delicious, evenly processed. The Query.th base is not much larger than other NutriBullet models, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. The blades screw onto the top of the personal cups, and then get inverted to be blended, so be careful to unscrew the personal blending cups from the base of the blender when you're done blending. It's easy to accidentally make a mess if you unscrew the cup from the blade instead. Take your nutrition extraction to the next level with the power, precision and versatility of the NutriBullet Blender Combo. Effortlessly switch between single serving cups and the large capacity pitcher. The 1200-watt NutriBullet Blender Combo comes equipped with multiple speeds, a pulse function and extraction capabilities for endlessly delicious possibilities. Hassle-free cleaning, simply place. Number 3. Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yielded a smooth and creamy texture, with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup to a silky smooth texture, and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces, and became stained a little from tomato sauce. Another high-performing blender from Breville that we have tested is the Breville 3X Blucer Pro. In our tests, this model produced creamy and smooth soup, and a strawberry green smoothie that had no sign of kale. While this model is a little more pricey, it does offer the ability to juice with it as well, 2 appliances in one. Or, if you're on the hunt for a hand blender instead of a full-size blender, we also recommend the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, which tested best in our immersion blender lab tests with a non-stick blender arm and perfectly emulsified mayo. The Breville Fresh and Furious is where power meets versatility. Designed with 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings for instant smoothies, green smoothies and ice crushing to make what is a rough start a smooth finish. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender. The Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender stood out to us in many ways with its sleek design, featuring its signature red knob and lightweight jar with a comfortable handle. There are 10 speed settings on the blender and 4 pre-programmed options: soup, puree, ice crush and smoothie. This blender produced a very smooth thick milkshake and a smoothie that was creamy and homogeneous. In our tests, this super powerful blender produced great frozen drinks. It also has a unique emulsion cap that allows you to add oil to the blender at an optimal pace to get a great emulsion in sauces and dressings. This pick is also sized to fit under most cabinets. The blender jar is hand wash only. Wolf, the brand synonymous with delicious results, presents Wolf Gourmet countertop appliances and kitchen tools that embody the precision control of their larger counterparts. From prepping ingredients to the finished dish, with Wolf Gourmet, the dish you envision will be the dish you serve. With the ability to make everything from breakfast smoothies to multi-course dinners, the Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender offers exceptional speed, power, and versatility. This blender is fitted with a powerful 2.2 peak HP motor that propels the blades to over 200 miles per hour, letting you puree sauces, heat silky soups, grind grains, and create smoothies beyond compare. 4 pre-programmed settings offer walk-away convenience when it's needed, while the infinitely variable speed dial gives you the control to blend ingredients to your exact preference. The 64-ounce capacity is large enough to make large batches of super chocolate milkshakes for the whole family, but can still be tucked neatly under standard-size cabinets. Number 5. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. Claiming to blend even the toughest ingredients, from kale to almonds, this sleek blender passed our test with flying colors. We couldn't taste the kale in our smoothie, it crushed ice into snow-like consistency, and it even blended chia seeds smoothly. It features easy-to-use presets for crushing ice, smoothies, and icy drinks. Plus, a little soap and water added to the self-clean cycle makes sure no food bits are left behind in hard-to-reach spots. In our tests, we noticed that the start button is a little small, and sometimes needed to be pressed several times to activate. We love its sleek design, and that you can pick from a variety of fun colors. While this blender is at a lower price point compared to similar high-powered blenders, KitchenAid also has a smaller and lower-cost model that performed well in our tests. The K153 Speed Ice Crushing Blender allows you to easily whirl up a soup or a smoothie in one batch, even though its pitcher has a smaller 6-cup capacity. Blend your best-tasting smoothies with a blender that delivers smoother results on tough ingredients, compared to a leading competitor. Star in addition to the 56 ounces blending jar, this blender also includes a 16-ounce personal blender jar that first blends your smoothie, then converts to an on-the-go container, and comes equipped with a resealable, screw-on lid for easy drinking. It's great for all of your best-tasting creations with 3 preset recipe programs: Ice Crush, Icy Drinks, and Smoothie. Or, control the taste and texture to fit your personal preference with the 5-speed variable speed dial. The soft start feature starts the motor at a slower speed to pull food into the blade, then quickly increases to the selected speed setting to avoid splatter. It also features IntelliSpeed motor control, which senses contents and maintains the optimal speed to power through all ingredients. Number 6. WantJoin Professional Commercial Blender. WantJoin presents to you a lifestyle that health. Our blender effortlessly and quickly shreds ice into delicious treats. We encourage you to use fresh, organic ingredients and indulge in the natural flavors. Whether at home or in a commercial setting, our countertop blender of various capacities cater to your needs. WantJoin combines the pursuit of health and the enjoyment of food, bringing you convenience and endless creativity. Embark on a fresh and delightful journey of tasty with the WantJoin blender by your side. WantJoin Quiet and Soundproof Shield Professional Blender reduce noises and also no splatter and leaking while you're blending. This heavy-duty commercial blender adopts with big volume pitcher 80 ounces, 2.2L, which suitable for family and party. And easy dealing with smoothie ice cream salsa sauce nuts hummus shakes and baby food and fitness persons. All the ingredients in the cup should not exceed 74 ounces, so as to blend better. WantJoin Professional Countertop Blender use powerful blade and 2200W motor, together with dual-direction blade technology for powerful blending, and consistent energy. High-speed Professional Countertop Blender for shakes and smoothies, 38,000 RPM, built-in PULSC and 15 speeds control. For your selections. WantJoin Industry Strong Power Blender adopts exquisite outlook and a shield cover helpful to reduce noise and meet demands for restaurants, hotels, snack shops, cafes, coffee shops, bars, anywhere that would benefit from a relaxing, customer-focused environment will get satisfaction from the blender. WantJoin blender leave a feeding hole in the top of the shield cover, and also leave a lid for that easy-to-put material ingredients from the top lid. The tamper fits through lid to help blending denseness ingredients. This powerful blender comes with overheat protection and self-cleaning design. Release your hand. This blender is mechanical and does not have program preset function. In order to protect the motor and the safety risks of overheating, if the machine uses something with too high hardness to work continuously, it will generate overheating protection, and it can resume work after cooling and resetting. 80% choice of drink shops and coffee shops. Thanks for watching in this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out this video description to find the product link.